Welcome to Sekolah Bahasa by Book and Food Edu Cafe. This is a B2 level listening comprehension. In this episode, 2 new students from the Fine Art College of Yogyakarta take part in a campus tour, one of the main activities during their Welcome Week. This is the second episode of our listening series entitled Welcome Week. Let's listen and follow their experience.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to your second day of Welcome Week at Fine Art College of Yogyakarta. I'm IU, a final year student from the printmaking department, and I'll be your guide for today's campus tour. We're so happy to have you all here. This campus may look quiet now, but soon you'll see it full of creativity, collaboration, and color. Our tour today will take about an hour. We'll start with the main library, move to the central gallery, stop by the exhibition building, and finish in the classroom block. Ready? Let's begin. This is our main library, a very special place for all of us. As you can see, the design combines Javanese traditional architecture with modern facilities. The high wooden ceiling you see above is a joglo, a classic roof structure used in Javanese houses and palaces. Many of our buildings use local materials, which makes the whole campus feel like it belongs to the culture around it. The library has thousands of books, of course, on painting, sculpture, art theory, history, even philosophy and literature. But more than that, it's a favorite spot for students to sketch, read quietly, or even take a short nap between classes. Upstairs, there's a sunlit drawing room that's especially popular in the mornings.
I didn't expect it to be this beautiful. It almost feels like an art museum itself.
I visited once before the semester started. It's even more beautiful now. I think it'll be my favorite place to relax and to think.
Now we're in the central gallery, the heart of our creative showcase. This is where students and lecturers exhibit their artwork throughout the year. Sometimes we host international guest artists too. Right now we have the senior exhibition, a final year project display by students about to graduate. Each piece here tells a story. That large painting over there is about the artist's experience growing up in a coastal village. That sculpture beside it? It's made entirely of recycled plastic bottles and fishing nets. Art here isn't just for beauty, it's for dialogue.
Look at that mural on the back wall, Takeshi. It tells a whole story without a single word.
It's so expressive. I can feel the emotion in it. This makes me want to pick up my brushes already.
Now we're outside the exhibition building, which is used for larger public events, workshops, film screenings, and special talks. Every semester, we also host the Visiting Artist Lecture Series here, where artists from around Indonesia, and sometimes abroad, come to speak about their journey, their process, and their challenges. It's a great way for you to get inspired and learn from real experiences in the field. Many students say some of their most memorable lessons happened right here, outside the classroom.
This really is more than a college. It feels like a community of artists, people who want to grow, share, and inspire.
I feel the same. Even just being here today makes me excited to start. It's like we're really part of something special.
We've now arrived at the classroom block. This is where most of your practical sessions will happen. As you'll notice, our classrooms are more like studios. Open spaces filled with materials, student projects, tools, and light. Each department has its own studio area. The painting department is just over there, and the wood carving studio is on the left. You'll get messy here. You'll experiment, make mistakes, and grow. That's all part of the process. The walls change every month because students are always putting up new pieces. Don't be shy to share your work. This is a place where everyone is learning together.
Seeing all this, I feel so ready to begin. I want to learn everything. Not just techniques, but how to express myself fully through my art.
And you will, we both will.
That brings us to the end of our tour. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Otherwise, enjoy your welcome week. And welcome once again to Fine Art College of Yogyakarta, your new creative home.
That was the conversation between two new university students during their campus tour at the Fine Art College of Yogyakarta. Now, based on what you've heard, here are 10 questions to answer.